butter train. But I decided that I wanted to make my own Cool Whip because today I made a strawberry shortcake, as you can see, and I wanted to see what it would taste like with some of this homemade Cool Whip. So I'm going to take some of this Cool Whip. Look at it. Look how nice that looks. And we're going to put it on top of our strawberry shortcake. I like a lot. Just put a little dollop on there. Looks so good, you guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? And I thought I would come on and I would share it with you guys to let you know that you can take that heavy whipping cream. And remember, I told you the first thing that you will be getting is some whipping cream, some of this Cool Whip that turns from using that heavy whipping cream. And the first stage is the Cool Whip. So, so I'm going to um, take some time and we are going to do a taste test. Are you ready? Woohoo! And then also, after we do our taste test, then we're going to go ahead and do a mail call because I received another beautiful piece of mail from another YouTuber that I subscribe to. And this person is such a wonderful, wonderful, sweet person. And this person was nice enough to send me a little love through the mail. So I want to share that love with you guys. So let's get going with the taste test of this strawberry shortcake. And then we're going to move on to the mail call. But before I go, don't forget to make your own homemade butter. I'm telling you, you need to try this because as you'll see in a video that's coming up, I went walking through the grocery store and showing you some of the prices of butter and some of the prices of the vegetables like the bell peppers. I even discovered some shishitos. And to see what else I discovered in the store, the grocery store I went to, you're going to have to stay tuned because that video will be coming up later on this week. So without further ado, let's get our taste test going and get to our mail call. I've been thinking about this all day long. So, let's feed our tummies. And of course, I'm going to share it with you guys. I always share my desserts with you guys. I will let you guys have the first bite and then I will take mine. All right, let's try this strawberry shortcake. Look at that. Beautiful strawberries and homemade Cool Whip. Hey guys, so here we go with our taste test. Gonna get some this yellow cake and I'm gonna get some of this homemade whipped cream. Look at that. Here's your bite. Go ahead and take it. Look at that. All right, it's my turn. Mm, mm, mm. This tastes so good, you guys. You have to try making your own Cool Whip. It will not be denied. Look at that. Give you a good up close look. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Can't go wrong. This is a good little dessert. Mm, I just can't stop eating it. Mm, 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 mm. All right. Well, I'm going to finish this up. And then the next time you see me, it'll be time for mail call. All right, guys, hang in there. And your girl is going to finish eating her strawberry shortcake. And then I'm coming back for the mail call. Hey guys, it's time for mail call. You know how we do it over here. It's mail call, it's mail call. Look what I got in the mail today. It's mail call, it's mail call. I'm so happy today. Well, you guys, I received some beautiful, beautiful mail from another subscriber that I really, really, really enjoyed their channel. And that person you're asking is, who is it, Renee? It's Gardening with Lisa. Woohoo! And Lisa was nice enough to send me some love mail. So let's see what Lisa sent me. Sent me a nice little note. And let's see, guys. It says, hello, Renee. I hope all is well on your end. Here's some melon seeds. Woohoo! I wanted to give to you the Chanitas is the small melon that was so good and sweet, because you know I was watching her video and Lisa was getting down with a whole bunch of beautiful melons that she grew in her garden, and they look so good, and she said they were super, super sweet. So I am so thankful, Lisa, that you thought so much of me and decided to share some of those seeds with me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And it says these seeds are just a few of what, oh, Miss Gail from the Georgia Peach Nut shared with her. Oh, see, that's why I love this garden community, because one gardener shares with her, and so she decided she wanted to spread the love and send some to me. So thank you, Georgia, from Georgia Peach Nut. I appreciate you taking the time to grow these melons, and also to think of others to share that wonderful experience and share those seeds so we can experience those melons just like you did. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Going to grow them again next year. I threw in a couple of other seeds. I really appreciate all your support. Happy gardening. Gardening with Lisa. Thanks, Gardening with Lisa. Lisa, I appreciate all your support too, my friend. So let's see. These are the Charnitas seeds from Georgia Peach Nut. And these are supposed to be a melon. And these are the ones that she says supposed to be sweet. So you know, next growing season, these are going to be the first ones I put in my little pea pellets. And I'm going to be growing so I can try. And I got to just find an area where I want to put these seeds. Because I know when Lisa grows her melon, she has a big area. And she has watermelon vines for days. So I don't know if my melon's going to be that big, Lisa. But I know I'm going to find a little small little area where I'm going to put these seeds and just let them go wild. And I am just so thankful that you thought of me. Woohoo! Oh, another watermelon, Lisa? She sent me a yellow watermelon. So I'm going to be growing 2 watermelons. So I'm really going to have to find a nice space. I was thinking, you know how my heel slopes down? I was wondering if I can start growing some melons and just let that whole area just fill up with watermelons. Maybe I'll do that, because after the tulips and after my flowers come in, I really don't have anything else growing up there. So I think that, and it's a really nice sunny location, and they can just spread out and go buck wild up there. So I got 2 watermelons, a 3rd watermelon, Lisa. Oh my goodness, girl, you're killing me here with these watermelons. But I'm gonna grow each and every one of them. And this one is the Crimson Sweet watermelon. All right, Lisa, challenge accepted, girl. I'm going to try to grow. I got 3 melons. You guys see it. You see Lisa sent me the seeds, and also Georgia Peach Nut. Miss Gail sent some seeds to Lisa, and she sent some to me. So I'm going to be loving up on her, and I want you guys to both go. Everybody that's watching this video, please go check out Gardening with Lisa, because she is such a sweet and loving and caring person, and you will feel her heart through her videos. And also, Georgia Peach Nut, Miss Gail, Miss Gail is very knowledgeable, and child, she remind you of somebody that either is your aunt or your grandmother or just a lady that speaks her mind. And child, she gonna tell it like it is. That's why I love Miss Gail, because she don't hold no punches. If she's trying to educate you, she just gonna tell it. Put it right between your eyes and make sure you are paying attention and you are listening. So, with that being said, go over there and support Miss Gail from the Georgia Peach Nut Garden, because she is awesome, awesome, awesome. So, thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Miss Gail, for sending me these seeds through Miss Lisa so I can share in growing these watermelons. Because, child, I want to grow me some watermelons, and I want to grow some watermelons that are sweet. And I think I got the winning ticket right here. You know, this is like the golden ticket. Me getting these watermelon seeds so I can get them out there next season and grow, grow, grow. And you know I will keep you updated on how they're doing. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to end this video because my mail call has sadly come to an end, and my love mail from Miss Lisa is over. But you know what? I'm sure I'll be getting more mail, and I'll be having some more mail calls. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you're enjoying your day. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Because you know you're going to want to see how these watermelons are doing over here in my garden. And like I said, that's why I named my channel Renee's Garden Adventures, because growing these seeds, child, for me, is going to be an adventure with all my wildlife over here, and see how they react to another area that they have experienced. But we're going to have vines and food growing up there. All right, guys, don't forget to give the girl a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and with that, I'm going to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm so excited to have you join my family. And for my returning subscribers, thanks for coming back and checking on Miss Renee. All right, guys, take care, and I love you guys all. Love you, love you. Thank you, Miss Gail. Thank you, Miss Georgia Peachnut. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.